Hello and welcome everyone. Today's question is print bracket number. So in this question we have to print the brackets number. So first we have opening bracket. This is the first opening bracket. So we have written 1. Then we have second opening brace. So have we written 2. So then we have closing brace. So this is the closing brace of the second. So we have written 2. So then we have the closing brace. So it is the first closing brace. So then we have written 1. So we have third opening brace and third closing brace. On the second example, we have first, second, third, fourth. So we have it written 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have closing brace. So this is the closing brace of the fourth opening brace. So we have written 4. Then we have fifth opening brace. So, so there's a constraint at any index the number of opening braces is greater than or equal to the closing brace. So tracking of opening braces is simple, but how to track the closing brace? Let's find out. So we have this example. So first we have first opening brace, then second opening brace, then second closing brace, then first closing brace, then third opening brace, and third closing brace. So this is our answer. Let's find out how to track the closing braces. So first we have 1. So we have written 1. So we will take 1 open as a variable. So it will track how many open braces we have seen. First we have 1, so we have written 1. So then we will increment. It's time for second opening brace. So we have written 2. Then we will increment it, and this is our closing brace. Let's find out how to track the closing brace. So as you can see, first second closing brace must come, then first closing brace will come. So for this we will maintain a stack. So we have seen 1, so we have put 1, then we will put 2, so this, and then closing brace comes. So this is the second closing brace. So we will pop out an element and print it. Then another closing brace is, so we will pop out an element and print it. Then we have open brace. So it's time for third opening brace. So we will print 3 and put it into the stack. Then we have closing braces. So we will pop out an element and it's time for third closing brace. So this is same as the, let's find out one complex test case. So we have a variable open and we have a stack. Open starts from 1 and we have a stack. So it's time for first opening brace as a variable pointing to 1. So we will print 1 and we will update and put it into our stack. Then we have another opening brace. It's time for second opening brace. So we will print 2, put it into the stack and update our value. Then we have closing brace. So it's the second closing brace. So we will pop out an element and print it. Then we have open brace. So it's time for third opening brace. So 3, and we will put it into the stack. Then we have closing brace. So we will pop out an element and it's a third closing brace. As you can see, third. So then we have open brace. So one open brace, second open brace, third open brace. So it's time for fourth open brace. So we will print 4, put it into our stack. 4. So 4, then we will update our value. So another open brace. So we will print 5, put it into our stack. Our stack contains 1 and 4 for now. And fifth open brace comes. So fifth, and we will update our value. We have seen till here 5 open braces. Then we have another open brace 6. So print 6, add 6, update value. So 6 comes. Then we have closing braces. So it's the sixth. So we will pop out an element and print 6. Then we have another closing brace. So we will pop out an element and print 5. Then we have open brace. So we will print 7, add 7 and update our value. So done. Then we have closing brace. So it's the 7th closing brace. Then we have another closing brace. So it's the 4th closing brace. So we have starting value as open 1. So we will have to maintain answer list and stack. Let's start a loop. If open braces comes, then push it into the stack and add it into the answer and increment open variable. If closing braces comes, then pop out an element from the stack and push it into the answer list. Then just return our list. So its time complexity is order of n and space complexity is order of n. So I hope you have understood this code. It's been a long time and no good question has come. And thank you all for watching this video.